Hi friends, and this is our new video about the Snapchat app. Right now I will show you how to create a poll on this application. So let's go to the watching. The first step is to open the Snapchat app, and right now let's create a new snap as an example, and I want to use some photo as a background. So let's go to the camera roll and I will choose this picture as an example. Later we need to go to the stickers after tapping on the third bar on the right side. Okay guys, and we have the specific option poll. Let's click on it. Well, right now I need to set a title for my poll. For example, do you like me? Haha. Okay, don't forget that you can also correct the answers definitely using another stickers. For example, this one, and the next one will be this one. Okay. So guys, to save this question, let's click on the done, and don't forget that you can also, rotate the newly created poll or increase, decrease it, choosing another location for it. Okay guys, and also don't forget about such an option to delete the poll after dragging it on the trash bar at the bottom of the screen. But I will save it here, and let's tap on the send to my story on the Snapchat. Don't save. Okay. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was definitely interesting and useful for you. Don't forget about likes and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find out even more cool tricks on the Snapchat. Here, after tapping on the poll, we can check the result definitely and how many people vote on the selected answer. So you can find even more, as I said, tricks about the Snapchat application and other programs on our channel. So I hope that our channel HardReset.Info is definitely useful and helpful. Goodbye guys, good luck.